How to sell a bet slip on 1xBet. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a total of $4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. First, open the 1xBet app and log into your account. Head over to the Bet Slip section, where all your active slips are displayed. Choose the bet slip you'd like to sell before the events finish, and tap it to view the details. If the sell option is available, you'll see the buyout amount offered by 1xBet. This value changes depending on how the matches are going and your chances of winning. If you're happy with the amount, simply tap Sell to confirm. The money will be credited instantly to your account balance. This allows you to lock in a profit or cut down on losses without waiting until the event ends. Remember, the sell option is only available for certain bet types and within specific timeframes, so always check if your slip qualifies. And that's it. You now know how to sell a bet slip on 1xBet. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.